Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change out your factory Mossberg 500 stock to the new one from WOOX, the Gladiatore. Before you begin a project like this, you want to make sure you check all your local laws and regulations and make sure you're not doing anything illegal with what you're installing. The tools you'll need for this installation are a number 2 Phillips, a 1/4 inch bit, a 5mm bit, and a 1/2 inch socket with a ratchet and long extension. Now that we have all the tools we need to check and make sure the firearm is clear. I can see there's nothing in the chamber, mag tube is empty, so we're good to go. I'm going to install this in a vise just to make it easier for me to show you guys what I'm doing, but you don't need a vise to do this. So, on your factory Mossberg 500 stock, the only way to access the bolt holding it to the receiver is through the butt pad. So that's where the number 2 Phillips comes in. Got some fairly long screws. Takes a minute to get them unscrewed. Once these are loose, it'll pop right off. Okay, now this is where the 1/2 inch drive and the extension comes in. This bolt is also slotted for a straight blade, but it's a lot more difficult to keep that on target versus a 1/2 inch socket that would just sit on top of the bolt head. Okay, now that that's loose, there is your bolt. Now the factory stock and the Gladiatore are a little bit different in how they mount. So factory stock is a hollow core with a long bolt going through the back. The Gladiatore has a bolt hole in the bottom, and we're going to change the direction of the bolt where it comes out of the back of the receiver because this is not hollow for you to run that long bolt through. So now we're going to install the adapter plate on the back of the receiver, and this will allow us to turn the bolt direction so that the Gladiatore can be installed using the shorter screw at a different angle. You'll use the short screw on the back of the receiver and your 1/4 inch bit. You want to make sure this is nice and tight. And now that that is on, we're going to switch to our 5mm, and we will slide the Gladiatore on the back of the shotgun, take the supplied bolt, stick it in the bottom of the pistol grip, and now we will tighten it up. It's got quite a few threads on it, but it will give you a nice secure fit. Again, you want to make sure this is nice and tight. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's installed and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy the new stock.